What I wish I knew at 15 instead of 25. How each of us holds the power to combat desertification and drought, one small step at a time. Imagine a world where fertile lands stretch as far as the eye can see, but now they're threatened by an unseen enemy: desertification. This isn't a distant reality for many communities around the globe, but there's hope on the horizon. Today, on World Day to combat desertification and drought, we celebrate the efforts and innovations that are turning barren lands back into thriving ecosystems. From planting drought-resistant crops to smarter water management techniques, individuals and organizations are joining forces to restore the balance of our planet. Each action, no matter how small, contributes to a larger battle against environmental degradation. By supporting sustainable farming and spreading awareness, you're not just saving soil, you're saving lives, preserving biodiversity, and securing a future for the next generations. So let's keep pushing forward, because together we can reclaim our land and our future.